What causes motorcycle throttle lag? Have you ever twisted the throttle on your motorcycle and felt a frustrating delay before the engine responds? This is known as throttle lag, and it can be quite annoying. Understanding what causes this lag can help you troubleshoot and improve your riding experience. Throttle lag occurs when there is a delay between your input on the throttle and the engine's response. This can happen for several reasons, all related to the engine, fuel system, throttle mechanism, and electronics. One common cause is an imbalance in the air and fuel mixture. If the mixture is too rich, meaning there is too much fuel, or too lean, meaning there is too much air, the engine struggles to respond quickly. Dirty air filters can restrict airflow, and old fuel can affect combustion quality, leading to sluggish acceleration. Fuel quality is another factor. Old gasoline or fuel contaminated with moisture, especially ethanol-blended fuels, can reduce how efficiently the engine burns fuel. Clogged fuel filters or injectors can also limit fuel flow, making the throttle response slower. Spark plug issues can contribute to throttle lag as well. If the spark plugs are incorrect, dirty, or worn out, they produce weak sparks. This delay in ignition can make the engine less responsive. For motorcycles with multiple carburetors, synchronization is essential. If the butterfly valves that control air intake do not open at the same time, some cylinders may receive more air than others. This can cause uneven acceleration and noticeable throttle lag, especially during quick throttle changes. Gear selection plays a role too. Riding in too high a gear for your speed can create a situation known as gear bog. This is when the engine cannot produce enough power quickly, mimicking throttle lag. In modern motorcycles with electronic throttle control systems, poor design or calibration can introduce delays between your throttle input and the engine's response. From a riding perspective, throttle lag can make smooth acceleration challenging, especially when you need quick responses, like during corner exits or overtaking. To troubleshoot and reduce throttle lag, keep your air filters clean to ensure proper airflow. Use fresh, high-quality fuel, and consider adding fuel stabilizers if you store your bike for a while. Regularly replace spark plugs as recommended by your motorcycle's manufacturer. For carbureted motorcycles, ensure that the carburetors are properly synchronized. Always select the appropriate gear for your riding situation to avoid bogging down the engine. If you experience persistent lag on fuel-injected models, have the electronic throttle systems checked. By addressing these factors, you can improve throttle response and make your motorcycle feel more responsive to your commands.